Okay, so I gotta make some locking hardware. So sorry, I've got some 3/4 aluminum plate. I paid 20 bucks for. I'll drill some holes in that, but I'm gonna start with, these are little pins, and I'm gonna get them to drive into this plate material here. Some 1/4 inch, some, I don't know, fat 16th. But I need, for my design, I need that to be tapped very, very straight. So here's what I came up with. Gotta remember, guys, I'm not a trained machinist or anything, so I need to figure out ways to do things. So what I've done here, pretty simple. I'll mark a length on there. Can you see that little mark right there? And now that I got the variable frequency drive for the drill press, I can really turn that slow. And here's the tap, and I want to make sure that I'm tapping at 90. So I lock that into there. Now I get that lined up. Come see, come saw. You know, that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm just gonna start it to tap, just so I get a nice 90 tap. Oops. You know? Okay. Shut it off. Take it out. I'm now 90. You know, I got a nice 90 tap. So I just do the rest by hand. And like I said, I got a little mark. I roll that to where I can see it. Now I know I'm going straight. Well, straighter than I would be if I was just doing it by hand. So I'm open to suggestions for any of the boys that really know how to do this. But you got to remember, I don't got no tools. So I'm trying to get, you know, good results with what I have. And I think it's pretty successful. And it doesn't take very long. So, no, results are pretty good. And I've got to make 12 of those. Anyway, I'll post more as I move along, but I need these to lock, and I've come up with, I think, a clever solution. Thank you.